Hello, this is Mrs. D, here to answer your question. What is a logarithm? Let me tell you this. The definition of a logarithm is an exponent. And if we notice and read this carefully, we can kind of figure out what's going on here. So, it is an exponent. We will read this log base b of x equals y if and only if b to the y equals x. Great. What does this mean? Let's try an example. For example, let's say we're doing log base 4 of 16. Pretty simple example. Well, you're not familiar with logarithms yet, but if you look at this definition, you can see that we have a base here, 4, our base. And the exponent piece of this is the y, the number that we don't know right now. So we'll say 4 to the y equals, well, it equals x. Where's x? X is the number next to our base, 16. So now this becomes kind of a power problem. 4 to what power? Notice we just said that logarithms are exponents. 4 to what power equals 16? Well, that's easy. 2. Now I could make this as easy or as difficult as I wanted to. Let's say I asked you to evaluate log base 2 of 1/8. Now this one might not be so straightforward, but if you know anything about exponents and rewriting, you might prefer to write this as something other than 1/8. Now if you can't think of that right now, let's just start with our definition here. The base I know is 2. So 2 to what power, because that's what this equals, we don't know yet. 2 to what power equals 1/8. And now the rewriting has got to happen. Let's say I know 8 is 2 to the third power. And since that's in the denominator, I'm going to say it's 2 to the negative third power. Now this should be very blatantly obvious. 2 to what power equals 2 to the negative third? Well, that power's got to be negative 3. So there's our answer. Logarithms are exponents. Answers to these questions are the values of these logarithms.